Hello, hi viewers. Today we are going to teach you how to add and active and deactive and delete a plugin from WordPress website. Thanks for your watching. Please keep watching. We will be give you the best examples every time for you for best knowledge ever for you. At this time we are going to first of all you have to go to log into your WordPress website. After the login the WordPress you are come to the dashboard. This is the dashboard of the WordPress. Left panel you can see on your screen. Sometimes this will be appear like this. You have to click on this button called span menu, then you will be see this button. In this you have to find plugin. I got it. This is a plugin section. Click on the plugins. This will be show the all install plugin from in your website. This is active anti-spam, active deactive classic. Many plugins are available already we have in our website, but at this time we are going to show you how to add new plugin. Click on the add new. Is there many plugins predefined available for you by WordPress website? But is there some categories are available: future, popular, recommended, and favorite? Popular. I am going to click on the popular. Is there I am going to add you asked SEO. Click on the you asked. This is the best SEO plugin that used many 5 million active installation at this time, and 27,300 people gave this plugin to 5 star. I think so. This is and last update before 2 months. This is the best plugin for the SEO purpose. Every website requires this plugin for SEO, keywords, SEO tags, and many things. And after the successful installation, system will be ask you active the plugin. We are install the plugin. At this time we are active the plugin, because installation and active the plugin must, then we are able to use the plugin. After at this time we are complete addition and activation the plugin. After this, who to deactive any plugin? Just no problem. Just this is active. Just a deactive plugin. Click on the deactive button. After a few moments, this classic editor will be deactivated from our website. After when we are work on our website, then we are not all functionality of the classic editor from our website. But at this time we are need this editor. Therefore I am going to active this. After the activation, this is activate. But at this time we are the fourth step today for is how to delete any plugin. If you want to single, just click on that. First of all you have to deactivate the plugin. Any plugin like Elementor Pro, I am already deactive. No, press the delete button, then system will be delete this in few seconds. If you are like more plugins, you want to like more plugin to delete, select all of them and then press the bulk action as their delete button, press the apply. After a few moments system will be delete the all plugins that you are selected already. But at this time we are no delete more. We are just one a delete the Elementor Pro. Press the delete button. System will be ask you, are you sure want to delete this Elementor Pro? I am going to press OK. After a few moments system will be delete the Elementor Pro was successfully deleted. This is plugin successfully deleted from our website, and all the functionality that are related to this will be also disabled and deleted from our website. Thanks for your watching. Please say subscribe of my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for your watching and press the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified by when we are uploaded any new video. Thanks for your watching.